Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new, you may as well hit subscribe. Today's video is going to be a very restorative, very calming stretching routine. I'm currently getting over a non-contagious yet really not fun chest infection, and this is something that I really needed, and I figured some of you might need this too. So without further ado, let's begin. We'll need 2 yoga blocks, so you can just put those aside for now. And let's just begin by tilting our left ear to our left shoulder. And let's tuck our chin to our chest. And our right ear to our right shoulder. Like I mentioned, this will be very calming, restorative, and there will be no cardiovascular energy necessary. Chin to chest. And left ear to left shoulder. This time let's take our left hand on top of our right ear and put our right hand flat on the floor, stretching out the side of our neck. Big inhale and exhale. And chin to chest. And let's take the right ear to the right shoulder, right hand on top of the left ear, and same thing with the left hand on the floor, stretching out the side of our neck. Big inhale and big exhale. Finally, let's clasp our hands behind our head and pull our elbows forward, keeping our back straight so we can really stretch out the back of our neck. And let's just begin to turn our head side to side, mobilizing the neck, stretching in any way you might feel tight. Maybe stay there a moment if you have one particularly sore spot, if you slept funny like me, or if you're just super tight in one area from working in a really awkward position. Bringing it back to neutral. Let's take our hands on our knees. On the next exhale, tuck your chin to your chest, looking at your navel, and roll onto the back of your glutes, or rather the top of your glutes. Curving your spine, chin to chest. Allow your spine to completely concave. And then using your hands on your knees, same thing, the opposite direction. Inhale, look up to the sky, open up your chest, open up your shoulders, and look up. And again, tuck your chin to your chest, almost like a cat if we were on our hands and our knees. And then inhale, just like if we were on our hands and our knees, we would do a cow. Beautiful. Bring it back through the center and then go ahead and swing your legs behind you. We're going to go to an actual cat and cow. And just beforehand, let's roll out our wrists, because I know some of my friends have very sensitive wrists. I didn't forget about you. And let's roll them the opposite direction. And then when you're ready, place your hands underneath your shoulders and let's tuck our chin to your chest into a cat. And on the inhale, we'll look up into a cow. Again, exhale to a cat. And inhale to a cow. Beautiful. Bring it back through the center, tuck your toes under, send the hips up into a downward facing dog, lengthening the back of your legs, pressing your hands into the floor. Think of lifting your sit bone all the way up to the ceiling. And let's just bend and stretch one knee at a time, kind of walking side to side. Beautiful. From here, keeping your feet about mat distance apart if they're not there already. Take them to be mat distance apart. Lift your heels on the next inhale. Lengthen through the spine. Again, think of lifting your sit bone to the sky. And exhale, lower down. Let's do that again. Inhale, lifting your heels. I know my block's in the way. Exhale, lower. Last time, inhale, lift the heels. And then let's bend the knees towards the armpits, the side of the body, opening the hips a little bit. Lift the hips up, straighten the knees, lower the heels down. And then let's shift forward to a high plank here. Now I know I said no super difficult movements, but it's super important to engage our core. And this is just going to be an easy sequence here. From here, let's bring our right knee towards our chest, bringing it back, and then lift the right leg off the